Hola, Okwo. Trouble dey sleep, Yanga come wake am. My hand no dey there. Mwebi mi ede gbe riri okeme averere 1967. Isabella kode yaga. Iwori kode gra. Midwest kodi zige. Mili wono kiri be soja. I came out Jayako, I wish I didn't I wake back. All you see, go call him Macono. Why? Better soldier, Reverena, Arario, Reba Mapo. Better soldier, Reverena, Marariasa, Reba Mapo. Irimukuyoba. Ile kweli meji kwa yo keri every enemy must be crushed. Fellow country people, crush all enemies to the end. None should be left out. Hola. Okwo. While you marry Muritala Mohammed, Commander number 1. Oye Mary Colonel Adekule, Commander number 2. Ogbemudi Akolera, Federal Marine Lady, Ogbemudi Aburu Administrator. Oye Governor Tinena, Eru Meredia, Woki Wonana. Fellow country people, let's pray to God to extend our precious prayers to those of our gallant federal soldiers that was led by Commander Muritala Mohammed to liberate this land, Midwest, out of the hand of the harsh rebel leader, Mr. Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Hola. Why? Midwest ware gogo. Ukunana tabare, Midwest warrior gogo. Ukunana tabare, tabare. Ukunana tabare. Uku wakare na ye waka